Hello and welcome to Back to Basic Card Making for Beginners, Monday. So today I'm actually looking at embossing, and hopefully if I get the light right you can actually see that pattern. So this is using boards and a ball tool and pressing the fibres through the patterns of the board. So you can make patterns like this. Hopefully you can see. Patterns like this. I'm trying to, as best as can, so that the light doesn't go. Patterns like this. Patterns like this. And then you can run some inks over here to bring them actually out. And then patterns like this to go down the middle of your card. And then you could put flowers in the middle and then bling in the middle and then obviously a stamp or something. Or you could cut this out. There's loads of things to do with it. I just want to show you the boards in case any of you, now these are very old, very old, and I'm sure that some of you crafty ladies have got these out there. So these are from the Glitter Girls many years ago, a keepsake, I think it's keepsake card craft embellishers, that's what they were called. There's some leaves there, and the whole idea was you take a ball tool, and with the Glitter Girls they had the lines so that you could go down the channels, so you could actually find where the leaf begins. And now there's me saying it and now I can't find it. Oh, it's because it's here. It's quite a way down. So it's like you can scribble over the top of it and nothing will come through. And it's where you press, and I'm sure that there's a lot of you crafty ladies out there have done this in your time and gone, oh yeah, I know, I've got these boards, we'll get them out again. And have a play. I know that we all, yeah, you might have got rid of them or whatever. I mean, I've still got mine, but I thought that I wanted to do, so these are embossing boards. I think that's that one. Let's come to the next one. I think the next one is somewhere up here. Just lift it up. See if I can find it. No, it is, it's down here. Here it is. Here it is. So you work your way round, and this was years ago, this was, instead of your embossing folders that you get with a die cutting machine, this was the first way of actually embossing and making lines and pretty things on your paper. So if any of you think, oh, well, that's a good idea, wouldn't mind getting some of those. People are always selling them for cheapers, and they are cheap as chips. They really are. And you can have a go. I mean, you can actually emboss loads of things and then actually cut them out. So these leaves, you could emboss and then cut them out and use them for your crafty stash. So while I'm talking, I'm just finding this. So I've got a little candle here, but the best thing to do to use this is I do believe it's a tumble dryer sheet that they use. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and show you and say to you, now this is just a strip, obviously. Let's get this shape of this leaf. So this is a small strip. I think that is it. I don't think there's, oh yeah, it's my leaf. So I've got a leaf there, so say that was a little card. So I'm just going to turn this over. That's a small little card. And hopefully, I'm just seeing whether you can see that. It's really cool. So then you would put some inks or something on there, you know, if you wanted. Let's see if I can. I don't think I've got any inks. I've got some paint here. But you could put some inks on there. I mean, I've just put that little bit just to bring them out. But when you actually see these on white card or on coloured card, it really, really looks lovely. So that's one of them. And I've got Christmas, holly, hearts, flowers. So these are these. So you put your, and the channel is, you put your card in so it doesn't slip, so you don't have to actually put sticky tape or washi tape down, and you can just go through the channels, which is rather good. That one's a really lovely board as well. Loads of different borders, and yeah. And then this one's framing. So if you had a card, I'll just show you here, this one, let's pop it in, and we will, which one should we do? Should we do this frame? I think we will. And this is how quick this is. So if you wanted to frame your card, this is what we used to do. So I know some of you ladies are, oh my goodness, yeah, I've still got them, or I've got rid of them. If you've still got them, get them out. Because not only can we use these for, that's it, yeah. Not only can we use these for our card making, but we could actually use these for our journals, to cut out loads of different things. I mean, that's really, really lovely. So let's just show you this one. So you pop it in, and then you follow it round. You can actually see, so this would be an edge of something, edge of a card, so that you could pretty up. And there's the candle. Yes, so the tumble dry, if you've got a tumble dry, it's better, tumble dryer sheet, that's a lot better to pop over your paper, because then the ball tool runs really, really easy. And these are quite old ball tools, but they get used for loads of different things. There it is. Once you realise where the actual pattern is, it's kind of like you can really, especially if you're doing a few. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed. It's kind of like I'm turning back the times, but some of you lovely crafters out there, you want to perhaps see something like this on eBay and it's going for pence And you're like, oh, what does it do? Well, this is what it does. So I'm hoping that you can pick this up. Sort of. I'm really trying here because it's really, really pretty. Yeah, there you go. So if you think that was on the middle of a card, and before you put your topper on, and then just put little gems in, all that down there and down there. Really, really pretty. So these embossing boards, as I say, these are from Keepsake, the Glitter Girls. That one there, I've done on the card, and I've put that there. So hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can. And can you see this? I put a little border around here. Well, that's on, do believe this one. So you can swap and change round. So what do you think? I wanted to start off with these embossing boards. Next week I'm going to go through some Crafter's Companion embossing boards, and then the third week I'm bringing in my scoreboard. So it's all about scoring these next 3 weeks. So it's scoring the patterns here, and yeah, I think they're really, really, really cute. So I've done some other bits and pieces. So I'm going to give all these shapes and everything all away so that somebody can play with them. And if you'd like, I might do some more as well. So if anybody would like to win these, please leave me a comment down below that you would like to, yeah, you would like me to. In actual fact, I think I would do some white ones for you, because this is just cheap card that I've been playing with. But yeah, I could do some white cards for you and just put some edges down, yeah, either down the middle or down the end, or whatever. And plus on that, I'll send you these as well. So whoever would like to win a bunch of, yeah, embossing, dry embossing with a ball tool, pretty patterns, you have to be a subscriber, and yeah, leave a comment below. And I think that's all you have to do. Yeah, be a subscriber, leave a comment below, please like this video. I know that there's loads of people, more than likely, that know, I mean, that this is how old these are, 2004. So yeah, and it's 2019 now, so it's 15 years ago. But I'm all about looking at what you've got, or people out there that can't afford die cutting machines, or haven't got to that far, not yet. So this is kind of like a step on. And with all of this, you know, you can cut these all out and make loads of lovely things with them as well. So I'm digressing. Thank you very much for watching my Back to Basics Monday. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little one. It's only just a little short one. And just to let you know that I will be showing you some techniques of the frame that I did, and people have asked for how I did it, the technique. So I will be doing that as well. Not on my Mondays, but yeah, just keep watching, because all of a sudden there'll be a video popping up with it. So I haven't forgotten. So yeah, so we're now on to these embossings. It's all about dry embossing with ball tools and a candle, because obviously, yeah, or a tumble dry sheet. You just go over your paper. I'm hoping to see if I can find mine, because I have got some, and I can, yeah, especially this one. This is a nice one to go down the side of your card and then put embellishments in. Lovely. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you all very soon. Have a lovely week, and God bless. Bye for now.